TAG has been around now for 10 years, and I think we're known mostly for our ability to connect the community. We feel like we own the area of connection for the technology community, and looking around the room here, we can see that it's working again today. But also, what you may not know is that we're very active in becoming more engaged in economic development. And so when we have an opportunity like this to work with entrepreneurs, it becomes something that becomes a core of what we're looking to do in the future. This is just one program. We also are partners in Venture Atlanta. I see Allison Eman and some of the board members here from that. And that's another program, again, to drive entrepreneurship, innovation, and showcase our companies to the VCs around the country, which is an important aspect, I think, of what TAG's doing in the future. But this program, I think Mike and I particularly like it because it builds community. And it took a lot of people to be involved with this. The beginning of this program was several months ago, and 75 or 76 companies applied, submitted their one-page executive summary to ATDC, which has been a terrific partner. I saw Charles Ross and Lance Weatherby. I know Cindy Cheatham and the team there have been terrific in terms of doing a lot of the behind-the-scenes work. So that 76 whittled down when we asked for the 20-page business plan to about 45 companies. And then those 45 companies were all reviewed again by ATDC, and there was a team built to interview all 45 of those companies. And that's the first year that we did that, to whittle it down to around 13, where our group of semifinal judges interviewed each of those and finally brought it down to the 3 that we have today. So there were 5 different steps in the process to get the competition down from 75 to the 3 companies that we have with us today. So I just want to again recognize GRA, ATDC, Mark Morell's here, and our TAG task force, which also worked behind the scenes to help structure this event. The TAG board of directors, I know we have a number of them here today. The mentors, we had over 30 mentors this year. These are serial entrepreneurs, people with a proven track record that took the time to work with our young companies. The semifinal judges and the judges, and also the suite of service providers. We have over $220,000 worth of services that the winning company will get. So when you think about it, it'll be a $320,000 package for the winning company. And it's working. The first 3 companies that won this competition, are all still in business, which is good, and they've also been funded in the last year. Each of them have been funded in the last year, so we think that's a good track record. But it's not just about the 3 that have won, it's about all the other companies that we've helped. So with that, I'd like to call on the moderator for our panel. This is a new piece this year. Last year we actually had 4 finalists. This year we decided to do 3 finalists. And because we have this great group of judges, we thought that you might want to hear from the judges. So certainly a person that everyone in our community knows is Tom Noonan. He's been also a terrific friend to TAG. He's on the TAG board. He's involved with GRA. He's just a great partner with the community, and now he's co-founder and partner of Tech Operators. So with that, Tom Noonan.